Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am in, yes, a new cover. I purchased this from Maria of Bujo Planner on Instagram, and this is her nude leather with the platinum pocket, and it's just so nice and soft and squishy, and I absolutely love it. So let's flip to this week in my Hobonichi cousin. Here is last week's spread using some stickers from the Happy Planner. And then this week I will be using some of these Mexican folk art stickers from According to Ali. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is put some washi across the top here. Ooh. And I normally do this actually with a lot of According to Ali's stickers. I find that this particular washi just goes with everything, and it's such a neutral washi. I love the black hexagons. Can never go wrong with this washi when decorating. But now I'm like, I have something like at 6 in the morning on Thursday, but I'll make it work. Okay, so these flowers are so fun. So fun. They're not normally something I would go with, but I do really like them. So I want to put something down here. I want to do, what do I want to do? I think I'm going to go with this big pink one. I might actually do a little bouquet of them. Oh, look, this one's such a delicate one, the way it's been cut. There we go. Yeah, do a little like bouquet of them here. These are such fun, bright colors. Love them. And then put just the small leaf, maybe. Nope, it'll have to be the big leaf. And I'll do it like that. Oh, I love the combination of colors here. Looks so great. Then I think I'm going to put some of the flowers across the top. So let's put, these are so lovely, kiss cut. Oh yeah, right in the corner here for Sunday. And then this one, I wonder if this one would look good. Whoa, I wonder if that, maybe down here or up here. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do this so that got one on this side, one on this side. And then I have 5 left, which I think I'm gonna put in various places around the spread. So what next? Ooh, where is my, okay. So the next thing I'm gonna do actually is work on my sidebar. So I'm gonna zoom in to do that. So my sidebar is actually really easy. If you guys have seen my videos before, it's the same thing where I brush letter in the word sleep with my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen. And I'm actually taking one of my rainbow paint swatches from a collection that I released quite a few months ago and placing it over top. I find it's like having a Tombow Duo brush pen, but there's no risk of smudging. And then I draw out my graph where I measure how many hours of sleep I get plus my sleep score through my Fitbit. And then underneath that, I write down my workout. So I will brush letter the word workout with a really cute Monsters Co. emoji, and then write out my schedule for workouts for the week. My sidebar has been consistently like this since I started using the Hobonichi cousin since January, and I really like the way this works out. So now we're done with the sidebar. I move to the bottom of the spread where I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen and write in the word meals, and then go over each of those with a rainbow mini paint swatch. And I really like the way that it adds color, but also adds a header down to the bottom. And now that is all done, I move to the middle part of the spread where I work on putting down my work shifts. I'm only working 4 days this week because I've got Friday off for the Planners Gonna Plan conference, which I'm really excited about. So again, like my previous sidebar and meals at the bottom, I use my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen to brush letter in the word work, and then place a rainbow mini paint swatch on top of that. And then using the Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, I actually draw in the arrow for my work shifts. Okay, so first, what is it, Friday morning, I'm going to put down this Coffee Monsters Co. sticker for 6 in the morning. The thing with early flights is that, yes, the flight will say 6, but then that means you have to be at the airport at like 4, which means you're leaving the house at like 3:30, which means you're getting up at 3, and it's, well, anyway. And then I fly back on Saturday. I don't get in really. I mean, the flight is at 9:25, and then I get in at about just before midnight. So, put this one here. I am really excited to be going, but also the introvert in me is also a little nervous. But if you guys are, if any of you are going to Planner's Gonna Plan, yeah, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you say hi. This is the thing with YouTube, is that I don't, you know, you guys know a lot about me and you know my face, and a lot of the times I know you guys only from, you know, the comment section in YouTube. I don't know too much about you outside of that. So if you want to come and say hi to me, please, please do so. There we go. Forgot to draw in those arrows. That one's not right. Oh my goodness. Where is my... Whoops. Here we go. So I keep having to remember that I have to pick up the children from school. There we go. At least though I'm doing this with my Tombow Fudenosuke pen, so it's a little easier. There we go. Okay, and then the fountain pen that I'm going to be using is my Cross Botanica Green Daylily. This is the one that my dad gave me. First ever fountain pen. It's such a good one. I absolutely love it. So right in my to-do list, which you guys know I meal plan and order groceries on a Monday night, because then we get, my husband picks them up on Thursdays. Then let's see, my sticker album here. There we go. Do I have garbage here? Nope, nope. You know, it would make sense if I put these all in a place that was easier for me to get to. I mean, I love the sticker album, don't get me wrong. Okay, Coffee Monsters Co-Emoti, and put out garbage. Perfect. Whoopsie. Then, oh my gosh. Okay. Then I cannot remember anything that we were doing on Thursday. I do have a few, like a couple of to-do things that I need to do, but I have them on Post-its. I use these tiny Memo Me Post-its from Stationery Pal as like reminders or pre-planning, and it's been really, really helpful. Where's it cute? There we go. I love these little grocery bags from Paper Bits Co. They are super adorable. 6 to 6:30. Pick up. And then normally on a Friday I would be filming, but because I'm on a flight and I will be setting up my table, because I'm sponsoring a table at the Planners Gonna Plan conference, the whole, I don't want to say the whole day is messed up, but the whole day isn't easy to put into a planner. I do have plans though to meet a group of other stationery and fountain pen enthusiasts on Friday. We're going to go to Paper Plus Cloth as well as Wonder Pens, which I'm really, really excited about. Now, the thing is, I'm not here, but I do have to note that Henry has wall climbing from 10 to 10:30, and I almost, do I want to put that alongside what's going on at the conference? That's the thing. I mean, my husband's going to know that he has wall climbing. And then on Sunday, he definitely has Ninja from 11:30 to 12:30. And my normal laundry folding will have to be done on Sunday night because Saturday night I will be flying in from Toronto. And because we had, that reminds me, I want to put that the cleaning lady is coming. So I'm going to use one of these stickers from the Sticker Genie. She's no longer open for business, unfortunately, but I want to put down that we have the cleaning lady coming at 9:30. And then there we go. Laundry, that's what I was going to do. Find a sticker for laundry. So another cute Paper Bits Co sticker, and I'll put the fold laundry here. It's also the day that I have to really get ready for my new releases the following week. Fold laundry. Okay. I know it seems really empty right now, but this is what I know is going in here. This is the thing. How do you put two things coinciding with each other? How do you guys plan for stuff that you're not necessarily around for, but you know is happening? I don't know. I might do a post-it or something. That's a hard one, but I'm not going to try and solve that now. I think I'll put it in as the week goes on. Okay, so I still have some florals I can decorate with. Why not actually put this one here because there's space there and I like the way that that looks. How about this blue one right here? Oh, that's pretty. And then I think the next, I feel like there's other places that I could put these other than just the usual corners. But I also like, I think I'm gonna actually cut this one in half and create a little bunch here that doesn't look like you think it normally would. That's Henry. There we go. Oh, I like that. And then I do have a weekend sticker from Let's Plan It. Oh, it's the last one. So now that that's done, good. There is something to be said about finishing a sticker sheet. Then last thing are putting these two florals down. And I think what I'll do, put one there. And then the last one I actually really like how colorful that is and the flowers everywhere. And then with the green ink, it's Diamine Meadow that's in here. I think that's going to look so bright and punchy. I'm really excited for this week. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave your comments. Please leave your comments down below. These stickers are from According to Allie, and I do have a code for her to save 10%. So it's Karina10, and I'll leave a link in the description below as well. Thanks again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.